Hello students, let us try to understand the physical properties and chemical properties and of the amines. So let us firstly look about the chemical properties, physical properties. So lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor. Okay, so lower aliphatic amines are what student? They are gases. Primary, secondary amines are the engaged in intermolecular association due to the hydrogen bonding, okay, between nitrogen of one and hydrogen of another molecule. The order of boiling point of the isomeric amines are as follow: primary and secondary and tertiary. Amines are basic in gaseous state as well as in the aqueous medium. So pKb value, if you see, that is primary amine 3.38, 3.27, 4.22, 3.29, 3 and 3.25. More the value of pKb, lesser is the basic strength. Okay, so you can check out students which can be the more basic. Aniline is less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia due to the resonance. What they are saying, aniline is less basic than aliphatic amine. Aniline is less basic than aliphatic amine due to resonance. Now that is, if you are treating with the water student, so what you are going to get student, you are going to get, that is RNH3 plus ion. Okay, ammonium ion. Next one is there, if you are treating with the HCl, you are getting the salt. If you are treating with the BF3, you will get the coordinate compound. If you are sitting with the sulfur, it will give the AgNH2R twice. Reaction with HNO2, 1 degree amines, it will give alcohol, and that is aromatic amines, it is going to give, that is diazonium chloride. 2 degree amines form, that is yellow oily liquid. So that is R2NS is there, HNO2, it will give, that is N-nitrosoamine. Okay, 3 degree amines, if you talk about, that is R3N is there. So if you are treating with the HNO2, it will give R3NHNO2. Okay, if you see this one student, if you talk about, that is 3 degree aromatic amines are there. If you, it will give, that is again, that is nitroso compound only, it is going to give students. Acylation, if you see student, it will directly the amines undergoes that is acylation, so it will give 1 degree amide. Okay, 2 degree amide will got, if you are taking the amines 2 degree. Reaction with the Grignard reagent, it will give, that is primary amines will give, that is alkanes, it will give, that is alkanes student. Okay, primary amines on reaction with, okay, primary amines on reaction with Grignard reagent, it will give the alkane. Even if you take about the secondary amines, it is also going to give, that is alkanes. Carbylamine reaction, if you are treating, that is RNH2 with the chloroform CHCl3 and KOH, chloroform and KOH, so it will give, that is isocyanide, that is pungent smell. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, NH2 group is highly ring activating group, hence it becomes difficult to stop the reaction at mono substitution stage, and is in most of the cases tri-substituted product will form. So bromine water, tribromoamines will form. Okay, Ac2O you are taking student, and then you are doing bromine acylation, then you are doing bromination, that is mono substitution you will give student. If you are doing nitration, so this is 3 product you will get, that is 51% para, 47% meta and 2% ortho product. Sulfonation, if you are doing student, so that is para deuterion, it will give student deuterion. Firstly it will give, that is sulfonilic acid, which again it will exchange the hydrogen and it will form the deuterion. Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is not going to form due to the formation of salt. Now the next one is, that is diazonium chloride is there student. So in the diazonium chloride, how the compound will be there student, if you are treating with the H3PO3 plus H2O, it will give benzene. Cuprous chloride, that is you will get, that is Sandmeyer reaction, that is haloarine. Cuprous bromide, haloarines. Copper plus HCl Gartermann reaction, that is haloarines. Copper plus HBr, haloarines. Ki direct replacement, that is C2H, it will give, that is iodobenzene. If you are having CuCN, Sandmeyer reaction, again it will give cyanobenzene. If you are treating with the alcohol H2O, okay, alcohol or H2O, it will give that is that is H2SO4, and what is that is water, you will get that is the alcohol phenol. If you are having that is alcohol and sodium hydroxide, it will give that is para-hydroxy, that is a coupling reaction. This will give that is para-hydroxy-azobenzene. If you are that is NH2 aniline, you are treating the para-amino-azobenzene, it will give. If you are having that is a 2 degree aromatic amine, it will give that is para dimethyl azobenzene, and it will give that is, if you are taking this compound, it will again give that is this one. If you are treating with the HbF4 student, that will give fluorobenzene, and that is what is known as Bulge-Simon reaction. Next one we are having student RCH2NO2. So nickel plus H2, okay, nickel H2 you are taking, that is RCH2NH2 it is giving, okay, RCH2NH2. So that is, if you are taking nitrobenzene and you are treating with the reducing, that is amines you are getting. Zinc plus ammonium chloride you are treating student, it will give arcgym, RCH2NHOH. If you are taking HNO2, it will give 1 degree alkanes, 2 degree and 3 degree will not give, here is 3 degree will not give students, okay, if you are treating. Next one you are having that is aldehydes, okay. If you are treating the nitro compound with aldehyde, it will give the additive product student. So this were all the chemical properties of the, okay, aromatic amine student. Thank you so much for watching.